it's a nice night. And the movie I'm going to watch is Aladdin Special Edition DVD. Let's put my controller in. Put my controller in the DVD. Put the disc in the DVD player controller. And then we're ready to read. I can't wait to watch Aladdin. Ruff! Controller, can you choose English for me? Okay, Wags. English it is. Warning screens. Do DVD producers take long to do this? Oh, there's the Walt Disney Home Entertainment logo. Okay. Woof! I noticed. Oh look, it's Egypt. And that's Arabian Nights playing. And there's a magic lamp. What's that? It's like a lion's head, a cat's head. Okay. Press play. Oh, what's that? Digital Master Optimal Video Audio Performance. What is that? It's the THX logo! Ruff, ruff, ruff! Oh man, I should have watched this DVD. I should have just watched the 2013 DVD of Aladdin instead.